Hi everybody! Happy Saturday! Pippi and I are watching the FIFA Women's World Cup. We're so excited! I'm not sure who to root for, England or Sweden. Why not England, I guess. I was very excited when I started watching because I heard the British national anthem. Woohoo! What do you think, Pip? Yeah! Now, a fun fact about this song. As you know, America has a national anthem, right? Oh, say, can you see? Maybe you know this song. But we also have one with the same melody. Instead of God save our noble queen, we sing, my country 'tis of thee, sweet land of liberty. So it's kind of funny. There's a British version, which is the original, and one that we created, but with different lyrics. Pippi was not impressed with my singing and went to the other end of the couch. I'm sorry, Pippi. I'm sorry. I was so happy to see the match is taking place in Nice. They were showing all these different things about France and the food and the culture, and it just made me miss France very much. I miss you. If you're watching the match too, let's watch it together. I hope you enjoy it, whoever you want to win. Bye!